Hello, I'm Oliver Roque. I live in Bexar County, and I'm a Healthy Texas Youth Ambassador working with Texas A&M AgriLife Extension. For this recipe, I will be using a vegetable peeler, which is a device used to peel the skin off of vegetables. In this particular case, zucchini. We're using a double-sided vegetable peeler for this, but we're only using this single side in order to peel the zucchini. As you peel the zucchini, make sure that you point it away from you, and that you also drive it away from you. Do this several times until you get your desired amount of zucchini. I'm going to be using Mediterranean hummus and chopped olives.